Okay, a couple nights ago we did a pork loin in the Ninja Foodi on the grill setting, and we decided we're going to do something different tonight. I want to try out the hair crisp setting. So we have this half a chicken that we're going to season up, and we're going to give that a try. I haven't used it yet. Haven't used that setting yet, so we'll season and rub it down real good with this camp dog. We're using the mild blend tonight. Alright, got it good and covered. Alright, we're gonna go over to the Ninja and get it set up. Alright, we don't know how long we're gonna cook this thing. I read somewhere that it said 60 minutes for a whole chicken, so I don't know if we're gonna hit air crisp. Set it at 375 for, let's go 20 minutes, and then we'll just add time as we need, should we need to. Let's hit start, and we're going to do a preheat. Make sure get my pan put in there. Let's open it, put this pan in here and let her heat up. Okay, the preheat is done. It says add food, and we had started out at 375. I think we dropped it down to 360. I'm going to spray a little bit of canola oil. That's what they recommend. And I'm going to place this chicken right in here and close the lid. We got it set for 20 minutes, so we'll be checking it and moving it around. I'm not going to flip it, I'm just going to turn it different angle. Let's see what happens. I like experiments. 5 minutes into it, and it's starting to turn a little bit round. Just take it and move it around a little bit. Let her go some more. Okay, so another 5 minutes has gone by. That's a total of 10 minutes cooking so far. Oh yeah, it's getting good and brown now. Looking good. So, turn it one more time, and we'll let it go some more. Okay, so 15 minutes has now gone by, and it's nice and pretty. What I did a minute ago was stuck our thermometer probe in here, and I have it sitting out here. I don't know if you can see it. It's at 122, and we're looking for 165, so we're going to let it go. Got 5 minutes left. We may have to add to that time to get it to the right temperature, but we're going to see. Okay, so we're right at our 20-minute mark. Our temperature is at 145, 146. I'm going to add a couple of minutes to this time. So we can try to get it to 165. Okay, with the additional 2 minutes, we were able to achieve our internal temperature of 165. I'm going to call it 165. Let's hope it's not burnt. Ooh. If I can get that out of there without burning me. One thing for sure, we know it's cooked. Looks beautiful. Alright. I'll get this on the cutting board and we're going to take a closer look. Okay, let's have a look. Falls apart. The breast looks done. Looks done to me. Let's eat.